Hi, I'm Larissa, born Indian, raised in a Catholic family. But honestly, growing up, I was always surrounded by friends from all kinds of faiths. And that made me super curious about what makes each one so unique. So over the years, I've celebrated and documented festivals across the world. And in India, of course. But this time, I thought, why not bring it back home to a festival I grew up with? One that's extra special to me, Ganesh Chaturthi, but with a little twist.
गणपती बाप्पा
ते आता गणपती गेले का मी निघाली.
मी पण तेच करणार. My test. I'm so excited, but I'm also a little worried because it's 5:30 and we've got to reach Lal Bagh and we've got to reach Worli. I hope we do not get traffic. It's raining outside. There's some protest happening. भगवान हमारे साथ है. चलो. यार पीयूष, this is too real यार to share. ये सब नहीं लिया ना तूने? God gotta be aesthetic यार. क्या ढूंढ रही है अच्छा यहाँ पे? नहीं है.
दीदी
इनएफिशिएंट.
कहाँ पे चला गया ऐसे? हम लेके तो गए थे. Oh, how could I forget? Look is incomplete without a nut. I would have cried if I would have forgotten. Little bird sitting on the nose. आतापासून मी मराठीतच बोलणार. समजलं का? कोंकणी मराठी. No, but I don't know what is Konkani Marathi. This is Roshni. We thought we would at least leave by 4:35, but abhi 5:48 ho gaya. We're a little worried because it's raining. We have 2 houses to do. Piyush has to reach. He has to take a train. At what time? 11? So we have to finish by 9. अभी सब कुछ भगवान की कृपा है, उसके हिसाब से करेंगे. This is me applying the Laneige lip balm that keeps me hydrated all the time.
How are you feeling though? Are you nervous? Are you excited?
Why will I be nervous, bro? मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Like I'm so excited. These are the people that really like support my journey. Some of them are actually my followers since like years. There are some followers of mine who I actually wanted to visit, but one is in Badlapur. There was no way I could have gone, and one is in Thane. We didn't have time today at all, and today was the only day we had some time. But I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to meeting them, speaking with them, just holding their hand. You know, इतना मस्त लगता है when you meet the people who are like watching you throughout the years. These are the people that make me me, and it's very important to honor their presence and to honor their existence, and that's why this is like a very small thing I'm doing, and in fact I want to do more in the future. Maybe like, you know, there are bigger and much more impactful ways. I hope I am creating an impact in some way or the other, but this is my tangible form of impact. You know, let's make it happen. Okay, so we are at my first follower's house and we are in Boli. It's after a very long time that I'm doing this, and I'm just like super excited. I can smell really great stuff. I hope it's coming from the same house. Hello, hi.
It feels like a dream come true.
Oh my God, thank you so much for calling us
So
here.
honored. Come. It's so glad.
Come.
All of you all are welcome. Please come.
What's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. It's a full house. Hello, everyone. Is there a reason you guys made a Evil Eye theme?
So honestly, if you ask me, I've had this vision in April. Okay, I was scrolling through Insta, trying to see what theme I can keep this year.
Right.
I got the exact picture of what I want
Okay.
it to be,
Wow.
and I had told my decorator in April. I can show you the chat.
Okay.
That this is what I'm going to be doing this year. She's saying, I don't do this kind of stuff. I said, I don't know what you're going to do, but it's going to happen.
It is such a beautiful movie, like especially the Nag on top that has the blue color in the middle and the blue diamonds. So pretty. Since how long have you been following my page?
I think I started following you, if I'm not mistaken, in 2022. It started
lovely.
with the seat manifestation,
Oh.
empty seat manifestation. I think it started with that. And that also when I was going to Istanbul.
So then did you get a empty seat?
Yes, I've got it a couple of times.
manifestation actually works.
Yeah, true. I'm a big believer.
This is the Talreja extended family.
Yes.
How does it feel when Ganesh arrives? How does it feel when he's here? And how does it feel when he goes?
Don't. Yeah. When he's at home, it's like a wedding. But when he's going, it's all of us are only crying.
Da, di, da, da, di, da, di, da, 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 di, na, di, da, da, di, na, di, da, di, na, di, da, di, na, di.
Thank you everyone for having me. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. It felt really nice to meet all of you.
They are pan shots.
Oh, can I open it?
Yes, you can open it and even have it.
Oh, smells like pan.
Yeah, it is pan.
I can smell the pan tilka.
Take.
Oh.
Oh my god, what a lovely time I had at the Talrejas. I did expect some great like moments, but this was much more like above my expectations. Like it's just always so special to see joint families living together and having a great time. I think like when it's joint families, it's always about every day is a party. You know, with all your cousins and with all your relatives together. It just feels so great to be celebrating the festival with my viewers. I think I should have done this long ago. It's so many things, it's so many moments, it's so many experiences that you can actually like put together. And I think it just makes it so special. It's always very unique because every house is different. Every viewer is celebrating in a different style. Like they had a Evil Eye theme. So I just had a great time and I cannot wait to go to the second house and the final house. That's at Lal Bagh. I just hope we do not get traffic like as much as we are expecting and that there's no waterlogging. Thank God it stopped raining. Let's go. Wow. We can go.
All my friends are jealous. Everybody is jealous that you are coming to my house.
I'm so happy.
That's my building. We have to go
From inside, yeah. Okay.
The Ganpati festival over here is celebrated on such a grand way. Opposite side mein, you see the big Ganpati, Lal Bagh Sa Raja.
Right.
It's exactly Samne.
Exactly, right
Samne.
here.
Yes. So, but I would have told you that I can take you there, but it's a Friday evening and it will be mad crowded inside.
Namaste.
This is my
auntie.
mama. That's my nanny outside.
Oh.
That's my doggo Gizmo.
Hello.
He's a little old. He's 12 years old. He's a pupper.
Oh, you. He just fell down.
He will not even Careful. He cannot see. Like
Oh.
he's got a little vision issue, so he gets a little confused at who's coming.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful.
So basically, this frame is where we have a TV.
Right.
So this is like a complete cabinet. It's fine.
नमस्ते. कैसे हो आप? कशी आहेस तुम्ही? मला मराठी येतं. हा, मग मी मराठी शिकली आहे, स्कूलमध्ये शिकली आहे आणि मला खूप चांगले मार्क्स पडले.
Whoa, nice.
तुमची आरती झाली?
नहीं, we do आरती late. हमारा आरती evening में एक रहता है.
नाही, मी तुला मराठीमध्ये तू विचारलं तर तू मराठीमध्ये बोलायचं.
आमची आरती दुपारी असते जेवायच्या आधी आणि नंतर संध्याकाळी असते जेवायच्या नंतर.
तो दोनदा तुम्ही आरती करतायत.
पण आता केली तरी चालेल, आता काय
नाही असं काही नाही, आम्ही असंच मी विचारलं तुला तुम्हाला.
तिच्या मावशीला बोलवते.
It's made out of chocolates.
Oh, lovely. I'm gonna have the small one.
Yeah, you can have a small one. I have made traditional ukdi se modak for you all.
Oh.
So you have to have that.
These modaks are so good.
Is that my business? Yes. I basically am a freelance social media manager. Plus, I also have two small businesses. One is a merchandising business, and one is chocolates and desserts.
Guys, if you ever need any merchandising to be done, t-shirts, caps, and anything.
Everything, all stationery.
Purva is your person. I'll put her number and her contact in my description. You're gonna get a lot of like
Yay! Let's go.
You should listen to Purva's story about why they have Ganpati Bappa every
I
year.
think my mom can explain it better.
सेकंड स्टँडर्डला असताना आजारी पडले त्यावेळेला तिला हॉस्पिटलमध्ये ऍडमिट केलेलं होतं. त्यावेळेला मी बाप्पाला नवस केलेला होता की बरं कर तिला, मग मी तुला 5 वर्ष घरात बसवेन म्हणून. तर मग नंतर 5 वर्ष ती बरी होऊन आली. मग त्याच वर्षी आम्ही गणपती घरी बसवला. त्यावेळेला मूर्ती फार छोटी होती. आता आम्ही आज म्हणजे असं वाढत करत आज 2.5 फुटाची आम्ही आज ती मूर्ती आमच्या घरात विराजमान झालेली आहे. या वर्षी आमचं हे 21वे वर्ष आहे.
Wow, 21 years.
It's inspiring.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Inspiring hearing yourself.
I'm
I've
going to.
not seen her this quiet, usually. She always has. This is
She's quite
something-
talkative. Yeah, I know. Like she's
Piyush is the most excited, so Piyush is the Modak ambassador. This is my man Piyush. Cheers.
Come on, don't stop.
गणपती बाप्पा. गणपती बाप्पा.
गणपती बाप्पा
Moria. Can I have one more Modak?
I'll parcel it. I'll parcel it.
Can I have one more Modak? Like that's so-
Can I have one more Modak? Wow.
डब्बा असेल तर दे ना जरा पार्सल.
काय पाहिजे
मोदक घेऊन जाते. घेऊन जाते.
Piyush, did you eat?
Round two.
What are you packing?
Yeah.
No. Absolutely not. No.
Just take at least take it as a prasad.
No. Like
I'm just
it's-
doing
we
food.
ate good. We ate well.
घे
Just food.
चलते भाई. पीयूष आपका मोदक खत्म कर देगा.
चलेगा.
Yeah.
सगळे जेवढे बाहेरचे
सगळं ओके मी गोळ्या बिळ्या काही घेत नाही काय नाही
Traveling. The way you love traveling, she loves traveling. If you tell
फक्त
her
मला
that you are
फिरायला
going on a
पाहिजे.
trip,
तुम्ही माझा व्हिडिओज बघितलाय का?
नाही.
तू दाखवते कशाला नाही आजीला?
I will show her. Like,
मला ना फक्त फिरायला
yeah,
आवडतं
you tell her that you are
मला
going on a
रोज
trip.
फिरायला
You want to pack.
गावी पिकनिक आम्ही सगळ्या करते गोवा सगळं फिरतो
I have not seen the north side
काश्मीर
yet.
विश्मीर
She
सगळीकडे
has
जाऊ
been to the Wagah border, and
Ah,
the Kashmir
sure.
and everything. She's done it all by herself.
Oh,
She's
wow.
gone with
मी
the
जाते
ladies,
सगळी.
old ladies group, and she's done it. Like,
Oh, wow.
at this age also she loves traveling.
ते आता 2 महिने जायला नाही मिळालं तर मी वेड्यासारखी झाली
तेच मला पण तेच झालंय.
होय ना?
तुम्ही 1 डिसेंबर आहे ना आणि मी 19 डिसेंबर म्हणून आम्ही सेम आहात.
हा मला पण ते कंटाळा येतोय ते आता गणपती गेले का मी निघाली
मी पण तेच करणार.
The vibe. That's the vibe.
That's the vibe. And that's an end to this beautiful vlog. I think I've had such a great day. It's been so overstimulating in terms of my emotions. I've witnessed 2 beautiful families and both of them with like different stories and such unique stories. The last one really inspired me. It really like gets me to thinking to like how all of us are so unique in our own way. It's so lovely that I have the opportunity to cherish each one of you. So this is like a thank you to all of you who have been a part of my journey. I think y'all inspire me. Like y'all keep saying that I inspire you, but I think most of the times it's you guys that inspire me so much. The way y'all help me actually move forward with your messages, with your love and your constant support, it just really helps me to be who I am today. I think I'm short of words right now and I'm so overwhelmed. I think I'm gonna get some really great sleep tonight. This is why I love Indian festivals. I think it brings all of us together. I'm so glad I could do that with my viewers this time. So thank you all for watching this video. If you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Leave your comments below and tell me which moment was your favorite. I think my favorite moment was with Purva's granny. The moment I realized that we share the same numerological birth dates, and I think that's going to be great. It's going to be special and I had a great time. I hope you like this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.